the key to making informed and confident investing decisions in a confusing market like we're in today comes down to having really good data. I know I'm the data guy, so I'm probably going to say that. And I do admit that there are a lot of things that you need in addition to data to be a good investor. You need experience, you need education, you need intuition. But if you can combine all of those things with really good current data, you're going to be in a really strong position to make informed and confident investing decisions. So today I'm going to share with you 4 sources for really high quality real estate data that you can use in your own investing. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Dave Meyer, Vice President of Data and Analytics at BiggerPockets, and I'm also the host of BiggerPockets' newest brand called On the Market. We have our own YouTube channel and our own podcast, which you can see in the show notes, and we would really appreciate if you went and checked that out. It's a brand new channel. It does all sorts of really great data-driven information that is going to help you be a better investor. With that, let's get into today's topic, which are our 4 sources for really high quality real estate data. I'm going to walk you through 4 different types of data. First, we're going to go find a source for macroeconomic data. Then we'll look at housing market data, rents, and then I'll share with you my tip for one source for all of this data and analysis in one place. The first place that I find data is the FRED website. This is the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis and their economic research division. You can find the link to the website in the show notes below, but what I love about the FRED website is that it aggregates all sorts of high quality data from a lot of sources. Some of them are private companies like NAR. Some of them are government sources that track things like inflation and unemployment rates. And you can get them all in one place entirely for free. And they allow you to change up the visualizations. You can make charts. You can even download all of the data for free if you're like me and like diving into the data and doing your own analysis. But it's super easy to use. Even if you're not really a data person or a math person, you can definitely learn a lot from the FRED website. And one pro tip that I really like about this website is that it's not just national level data. So if you want to look for a market that you're into specifically, you can find that too. I primarily invest in Colorado, and I frequently look at things like the number of building permits that are being issued in Colorado or the unemployment rate in Colorado. And you can find the same type of information delivered in a really reliable and predictable way on the FRED website. So that is my source number 1. The second source that I have for you today is Redfin. Redfin, it is a brokerage, obviously one of the biggest online sites for real estate investing, but they also have an amazing data function as well. Again, we will put the link in the show notes, but if you go to their data center, you can find all sorts of information about the housing market. If you are like me and think that the key to what happens to housing prices over the next 2 years is days on market and active inventory, you can track that every single month going on Redfin. And again, it is 100% free. And just like the FRED website, it's not just national data. You can drill down into how many active listings are in your market. What's the average days on market? How many new listings? What percentage of homes are seeing price drops in a given market? All super important information if you're scouting for a new market or just trying to better understand the market that you already invest in. So that's my second data source, Redfin, completely free, really good tool to use, highly recommend it. The third source I have for you is BiggerPockets Rent Estimator. And just to be clear, this is part of the Pro membership, so you do have to pay for that. It is very inexpensive relative to what other people charge for data. It's actually a great deal because what it helps you do will make you the amount of money of a Pro membership and more. If you are currently an investor and have a portfolio and want to make sure that your rents are keeping up with market rates, this is a great tool to do it. All you do is type in the address of your property. It'll ask you bedrooms and bathrooms bathroom count, and it will give you a range of comps that you can look at, an estimate for the median price rent in that area, and a bunch of other information that will help you optimize your portfolio. Or if you're not yet an investor or you're looking at buying a new deal, you can use this exact tool to find the rents to help underwrite your deal. You need to be able to analyze a prospective deal to understand if it's going to cash flow, how much, what your total profit's going to be. And this is a great tool to do just that. If you want to check this out, you can do that on BiggerPockets.com. Again, link in the show notes. The last source is On the Market. And I know this is a shameless self-promotion because I am the host of On the Market, but I truly, genuinely believe that it is one of, if not the greatest source for real estate data, trends, and news anywhere on the market. That is why we started it in the first place. Each and every week, I and my co-host, who are James Daynard, Kathy Fettke, Jamil Damji, and Henry Washington, go over what is going on in the world of real estate investing and help you break down what this means for investors of all experience levels. It's completely for free. You can follow us and subscribe on YouTube or download the podcast on Apple or Spotify. We would really appreciate it. And if you like it, please leave us a review. It really supports us and it helps us create more great content just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video and actually go check out these 4 data sources. They are really, really valuable. I use them almost every single day, and I think they will really help you make informed, confident investing decisions, which is what we're all about. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts for me, please reach out to me on Instagram, where I am at The Data Deli. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.